Yeah, if you go to New Orleans, you might want one of these. It was a shit camera. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the shop. I'm glad you're here. My name's Kevin and this is my shop. Everybody has, I would think, and we're gonna discuss what's in my tool bag. Uh, and mine's changed up quite a bit since the accident, and just the pouch that I wear on my chest and stuff like that. So I got two of them, one for short distance around here, and then my backpack and stuff is for long distances. We're gonna go through the short one first, and we're not gonna do the New Orleans trip version. Anyway, this is what I wear when I put the camera on there. I made this and I posted in a video, not how I did it, but what I did to make it. I put a piece of plastic in here, just bolted it in there, you can see that. And it's coming quite handy. Power bank. That's for around here. Doing video, you hate it whenever your camera goes dead and then you want to do video some more. So that's it in that pouch. We got this. I generally carry this in my other pouch, but what it is, it's a there's 10 replaceable blades in here. It's a surgical knife. Several reasons why I carry that. One is you never know. A small flashlight. You never know if you're going to get stuck out at dark or whatever. Haven't opened this, but it's just a little tiny first aid kit. That's all. I carry extra knife. You never know. My GPS. Now we're going to get down to the tools. Now, and not only that, and like I said, this is put your cell phone in there. Just basically a motorized bike guide purse is how it's looking. But anyway, that's all that's in there. This is basically all the tools I carry right here. This is pretty neat because it's got all your Allen wrenches, sockets, bolts, Phillips. I thought it had a flathead on here. Yeah, right there. Flathead. I know you're not going to get this in everywhere, but it might get you out of your mind. These right here are absolutely the best thing you can carry with you. I have gripped these things to the point of they should have broke 100 times. They will grab a bolt, they will grab a cable, Allen bolt, pretty much anything. These things are very, very handy, and they'll grab a fairly big one. And they are very robust. They're made by Crescent. This is not a paid promotion. This is just, I always did believe in Crescent tools. Alright, so that's what I would carry in a small bag. Just around here, you know. Now, if I'm going on a long distance, naturally, we're going to get this out of the way. Put it back in the bag. And I carry a GPS and plotter and all that, so y'all know all that. Okay, so in the other bag, with this bag, now this will be carried with me. I'll be having both of them on long distance trips, and naturally we're pretty much going to figure out that the first thing that we're going to carry is going to be gasoline. Fuel. I'm sorry. So, fuel. Very interesting. I've always carried one of these. And I'm sitting there thinking to myself, and this is a true repair kit. I'm sitting there thinking to myself, I ain't taking that tire off out there. DNS, Motorized Bicycle Channel. DNS engine. I was watching one of his videos the other day, and he said something that I thought was, oh heck, never even thought of that. He said if he gets a flat tire, and y'all please comment and tell me if y'all always knew this, and I was the only one on the planet that didn't. And he said that he'll break the tire loose on one side, pull the tube out, find out where it's, and then patch it, put it back in. Never thought of that, ever. That's so cool. That's a good idea. I was like, I want to just, dude, really? You didn't see that? But anyway, that was very good. I always carry the gas can of this. If you're 40 miles out in a swamp and you have a flat tire, you can do what he did. I got the patch kit, I carry it. And then this is pretty much air or whatever. Fill it back up. Most definitely, you want to get out of there, especially at night. So this is a wrist. If my other mirrors mess up, this is one you put on your, and it's supposed to be on the other wrist, but it's, and I got it backwards. Okay, y'all saw that. Okay, y'all can comment on that too. It is a wrist rear view mirror in case something happens, or if I'm in a situation where I need two, and I've been in that situation, where I got to look on the left and right hand side. Not a nice thing, but it happens. Ain't no MRE stuff. The gum, the red gum, you don't want to eat that out on the trail. But and some drink mix and some bags and some stuff like it, just general stuff. And what else? Okay, and I do carry some camera stuff. This will be the extent of my tools on a long trip. I got one of those. One of those. One of these. And then in there, and that's it for this bag. And in there, we've got a spark plug, we got a couple master links, a half link, a master link, stuff like that. The coveted 8 and 10 millimeter wrench, and a 13 and 15 for the back hook. And this is pretty much all your Allen wrenches and stuff. If your motor's blowed up, all you're going to do is you're going to pop your master link loose on your motor and you're going to pedal your bike home. If you got a flat tire, you're going to have a flat tire. Loose nuts and bolts and stuff that get lost, they're lost. You're not getting them back. So, and this is a, like I said, this is another one, and it's got, I'm sorry, they must go out the other way. That's how much I've used this. Okay, that's like spoke, stuff like that, you know, small stuff. Just in case, and not really for me, you know, maybe somebody else or something might need it or something like that. I've also got very fond of this. And this is their newest version of the, what they call the, and what do they call it? Kickback, switchback, whatever. The heck is it called? By Milwaukee. Fastback. The cool thing about this is you got a knife. It comes out pretty quickly, pretty easily, but not only that, you've got a really nice screwdriver right there. And it's reversible. It's very handy. And not only that, the most important thing I would think, you know, and these lock. And this is like, this feels just, it's nice and smooth. It feels just like a screwdriver. These lock. And one of the most important things is it has a bottle opener. So that's it. Please hit like and subscribe. Most of all, leave me a comment. And right now, I'm going to get on that bike right there. I'm going down here to the store, and I'm gonna turn it wide open. I'm not going to back off of it. And I'm going to give you all shouts on the way. And I'm going to see if we got some new shouts, some new people. And another announcement I got to make. every last Saturday of the month at 6 o'clock. We're going live for Shop Talk in here. I think I've got my equipment where I need it. Okay? The last Saturday of every month at 6 o'clock Central Time. Give people on both sides. We're going live for Shop Talk. Alright? So, and y'all please leave me a comment. And I'm going to leave a shout out to everybody. We got some new people. And I want to see if I could get them all holding that bike wide open the whole time. And let me know if you can hold your bike wide open that long. Alright guys. I love y'all to death. Hit like and subscribe. Hit me up. Comment. Y'all have a great one. And check out this video.
What's up? What's up? Huh? Huh? I didn't hear you.
Where did you go ride?
Go riding.
You been riding?
Go riding anywhere I want on this. Levee. Anywhere.
I asked you where you went at.
Oh, you asked me where I went. What are you doing?
Feeding these bees.
Bees? What kind of damn bees? Huh?